This is the SPC Filepecker 60 single spindle paper drill, ideal for single, twin and 4-hole paper drilling. When purchased from Chilvers Reprographics, you get a comprehensive toolkit including sharpener, honing stone, needed Allen keys, spare drill bits and drill bit extractor and needed tools. This unit is very simple and easy to operate. It has side guides, adjustable backstop and of course the program bar. For this demo we just got it up for 4-hole ring binding. There's 5 stops that can be put in any configuration to suit the job you're trying to finish. All you do is just grab your work, knock it up, slide it in, locate it against the side guide. You have an on-off switch on this side of the machine. Just turn it on, the light comes on, but the machine does not run until you engage the handle. Okay, what we'll do is activate the program bar by pushing down the lever, slide it to our first stop. What it does is locates and stops. Hold your stock and pull down the handle. What we'll do is push down the lever, slide, locates, pull down the handle. Locates, pull down the handle, and then finally locates and pull down the handle. The SPC 60 is rated up to about 500 sheets of 80 gram, and here at Chilvers we stock a range of new drill bits from 3 to 8mm in a standard and Teflon finish.